Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add content timeline in your Divi WordPress website. Here you can see this is my demo website. Let me log in, and after that let me install a plugin. Simply upload the plugin file in zip format. So guys, here you can see this is the plugin Divi Superme module, and you can get this plugin from here, Divi official website elegantthemes.com. Scroll down, here you can see this is the plugin Divi Superme Pro, and you will get multiple modules, almost 60 plus modules you will get, and you can build your own website to the professional level. And let's wait for a few seconds for the plugin installation. Okay guys, plugin is installed. Let's activate, and after that simply activate this free variant of plugin, and this is called light variant. Now let's go back to the pages and enable Divi field builder. We can also view this page on the front side, and here you can see on the top enable field builder. So when you have installed Divi WordPress theme, then you will be able to see this button on the top of every page. Now let's scroll down and add a new section. Just find plus icon to add a new section. Then select a regular section, and let me select 2-column row. After that search for timeline. Here you can see Superme content timeline. Then here we can add timeline items. You can use icon or image. You can also disable that. Scroll down. Here you can add some images. And if you want to use icon, just you can enable that and select icon. After that you can change the text from here, and you can select the location. If you want to place icon on the left side, here you can add your own text, for example web design service. Then here you can see content type. You can select custom content, as well as you can also add shortcode. So you can add shortcode from the Divi library, and here you can replace with your own text. Then scroll down. Here you can also add some text on the opposite side. Here you can see. Then you can also add a button, and link it with any page. For example, I can copy this link and add here. Then click here yes, and after that scroll up. Here you can see this is some setting. Then you can also duplicate, and here you can see timeline is increasing. Then you can go in the settings and change the text. Then go to design tab, alignment options for the text. Then you can customize and change the text color for the title text, and various other typography options. Here you can see title color is changed. Then you can also change font family, font color, add box shadow, and these are various other basic options that you can customize. You can also change pointer color, then icon color, So this is the way that you can use content timeline. After that, final step is just click on three dots and save it.